So are you guys ready to hear the secret, the big secret of finding out why your hair is dry? Okay, let's start. So welcome to Discovery Natural. If this is your first time watching our videos, click that button to subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell. I don't say it enough. So click the notification bell because that's how you get to know when our videos come out. We have videos every Mondays and Fridays. Sometimes I put new things in between there. So today we are getting asked, well, I'm answering the question about why your hair is always dry. I just got back from my daughter's award night.
Eniola Audi.
Number one reason, let's get to it. Oh, gosh, that feels good. So number one reason that your hair is dry is that you are not moisturizing, or your hair is hard, is that you're not moisturizing your hair well. You are not moisturizing your hair the right way. A lot of times when people moisturize their hair, they don't start off with using some form of liquid in terms of water. Here I have water mixed with aloe vera juice. That is the biggest foundation, the first foundation of how to moisturize your hair. Okay, so when you want to moisturize your hair, you can always start with a liquid. Then you can use a cream and an oil, or you can use an oil or a cream. You can click on that button right there so that you can find out how to moisturize your hair, different funky ways to moisturize your hair. And yeah, so that's one thing, you do not moisturize your hair enough. The second reason why your hair is always hard, my sister, my brothers, is that you are not deep conditioning. With our hair thrives on deep conditioners. I have several deep conditioners I've used, but this is the main one that I use. This is the Kadima Cocoa and Mango Butter. I've used it so many times. Yeah, rating pen right there. But you do not deep condition your hair a lot. Deep conditioners, what do? They infuse moisture into your hair and they make it last longer. My hair, the last time I moisturized my hair was about 4 days ago, and this is the state of my hair. You can see almost, yeah, you can almost feel the softness. To go hand in hand with that is that you are using the wrong thing to condition your hair. A lot of times people are using egg. They're using all that stuff and they're saying they're deep conditioning your hair. No, that is putting protein into their hair, and then their hair gets hard and they're like, ah, my sister, kilo shele, kilo deti mi le bang bang bang, Joe, help me. You know, I'm like, what are you using to deep condition your hair? They say egg. I said, how can you be using egg to deep condition your hair? Egg is protein. I don't use egg because I prefer to eat my egg. I like egg like that. You know, if you like egg, I want you to click the thumbs up, the thumbs up. If you like egg, click the thumbs up. See, I'm just so happy. You know, as a mother, when your child is doing well, you're like, hey, I'm just so happy. So that's why I'm so excited. I just told my daughter, I said, I have to do a video today. Why? Because I don't want to waste this makeup. I hate putting on makeup. So that's why I'm doing a video today. But you are using protein treatments as a deep conditioner. Protein treatments shouldn't be used that way. After you wash your hair, you deep condition your hair, leave-in conditioners are very good. A lot of people don't use leave-in conditioners, but leave-in conditioners are really good because they also help you with the moisture. So if you don't have a leave-in conditioner, you can actually make your own leave-in conditioners. I'm going to give you the information over there. Every time you want to find out how to do anything, look here or look in the playlist. I have so many playlists and they're just like little libraries of related videos that will help you out. Some things that you can do is maybe keep your hair in a stretch form. Put your hair in twist. After you moisturize your hair, you can put it in twist. You can also deep condition your hair on a regular. Every time you wash your hair, deep condition your hair, and I tell you, it is the best thing ever that you can do for your hair. I want you to know something from you all. If you have gone through this stage of hardness, If you have gone to this stage of why is your hair standing like that and it doesn't want to soften, I want you to comment down below and help a sister out, help a brother out, help somebody out, okay? Help them out, help them out, help them out so that they too, they can have soft hair. If you like this style of videos, I just feel like doing something fun. I told my daughter I'm not going to be all serious in this video, like, hi, welcome to Discovery Nature. Today we're going to do this and we're going to do that and we're going to do that. I'm just going to feel like a fabulous mama that I am. So thank you so much for watching the video. I will see you in the next video. If you like this, please click the subscribe button and feel free to share to others, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.